Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our Qaa'edah course. Inshallah, today we will continue our lesson in Al-Mudood. Today we will study a new mud which is called Al-Maddul Laazim. And Al-Maddul Laazim happens when sukoon comes after any of the letters of mad. The letters of mad are alif, waw, and ya, which we studied earlier. When that happens, we have to pronounce the mad 6 times its original length. Yeah, roughly 6 times its original length. So that's why we call it Maddul Laazim, and that mad we have to prolong the sound 6 times its original length. So let's look at the example to see sukoon comes after either alif, waw, or ya. Yeah. In our first example here, we can see we have hamza and we have alif. And after alif, it's a lam, and the lam has sukoon. So that is the ruling. Sukoon comes after alif, which is a letter of mad. So we have to join hamza with the lam, and we have to prolong that sound approximately 6 times, roughly 6 times its original length. So how do we recite that? We say al. Yeah, we don't say al. No, we recite the fatha first 6 times its original length, then we join onto the lam. So let's try that again. Al. Okay, so let's read the whole word now. Al. Ana. Al-ana. Okay, so let's do not get mixed up, because from experience we find that many of the students, they join it, they can't get the 6 points up. Yeah, they join it immediately and then they don't know how to stretch it. So some of them say al, they get confused. So we have to recite the fatha, stretch the fatha 6 times. Al, ana. So that's how it goes. Let's see wow. If we have a sukoon comes after wow. Yeah. Here we have in this example 2. We have alif again and then we have wow. So here we have sukoon comes after wow. But you may ask the question, where is the sukoon? As we studied earlier in shadda there is a sukoon. Yeah. If you look over here to go back, this word is atuhadju. Hadju. Yeah, but rather than writing 2 jim like how we were talking about it in shadda, we remove 1 jim, the sukoon one, and then we put shadda on this jim. We write 1 jim and we put shadda over it. So in the letter that got shadda, there is a letter with sukoon. Yeah, the same letter. So here we have the sukoon in the noon, yeah, comes after the long vowel wow. So we have to stretch it. Yeah. Again here, the sukoon in the jim comes after the long vowel alif. So how do we recite this? We recite it as atu hajjuni. Okay, we have to hear the connection after the stretching. Yeah, let's try that again. Atuhajjuni. Okay, and practice makes it perfect, inshallah. So let's look at the next example with ya. Here we have meme, we have ha, meme. then this meme we have to pronounce it. We have to stretch it 6 times its original length by saying ha meme. And again, we may ask, where is the sukoon in these letters? So if we have to write meme, we will find it, we write it like this. Ha and meme. Meme, ya, kasra, mi, and the meme here with dhammatan originally would be memun with a dhammatan, but when we stop at it, it has a sukoon. We apply a sukoon. So ha, meme. Yeah? Originally, the meme, we spell it this way with the original dhammatan. But because we're stopping on the meme, we change the dhammatan into a sukoon. So then we have our rule. Sukoon comes after ya, which is a long vowel. So that's why these letters, we find them with the Maddul Laazim upon them. So we have to recite it as ha, meme. Okay? Hamim. So I hope, inshallah, that this lesson was clear, and I hope to see you again, inshallah, in our next lesson. Bidnillahi ta'ala. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.